na may desk ngayon na may electric height adjustment, 80 kg weight capacity plus free mug and headphone holder, lahat ng yan nasa isang lamesa lang? This is the TT Racing Titus X Smart Desk. Mukha siyang pang high-end at ang performance, isang game changer para sa health at productivity mo. Una, electric height adjustment. Isang pindot mo lang from sitting to standing ka na agad. Perfect for reducing back pain and keeping you energized throughout the day, iwas antok. Pangalawa, build quality. Industrial grade steel frame na kaya ang bigat up to 80 kilograms. Kahit dalawang monitor at isang PC, kayang-kaya. And even kahit ako umupo dito, kayang-kaya. This is built to last. Pangatlo, smart features, yung included na mga mug holder and headphone holder. Maliit na bagay pero sobrang laking tulong sa pag-organize ng workspace mo. But here's the catch, wala siyang built-in drawer. So if you need a lot of storage, you'll need a separate cabinet. At kailangan mo rin siyang i-assemble pala no guys from scratch, which took me around 1 hour taking my time and doing it solo. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi yan deal breaker, lalo na kung ang habol mo ay ergonomics at health benefits. So kung naghahanap ka ng desk para sa work from home setup mo, school, content creation, or gaming na aalagaan ang likod mo for the long run, the TT Racing Titus X Smart Desk is easily one of the best value desks this 2025. Meron tayong in-depth review at build guide neto guys sa YouTube, so see you there, let's go!